Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through a quick and easy process on how to change address on Temu account. If you want to change the address on your Temu account, then first start off by tapping open your Temu application and log into your Temu account. After you're logged in, tap on the U button at the bottom of this main home page. Now scroll down and tap on address. Tap on add a new address if you don't have any address yet, and select your country or your region from the top of the screen. Once you are done selecting your country or your region, type in your full name on the next field and also make sure to enter all of the additional information on this page. After filling in all of the details, tap on the save button at the bottom and you'll be able to change your address in Temu. Pretty easy, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.